The Sun, the heart of our solar system. The Sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas that provides light and heat to all the planets. It's a yellow dwarf star composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The Sun's immense gravity holds the planets in orbit, and its energy drives the weather and climate on Earth. The Sun's surface is a dynamic place, with sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections that can affect space weather and even disrupt technology on Earth. Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is a world of extremes. Its surface is heavily cratered, a testament to its violent past and lack of a substantial atmosphere to protect it from impacts. During the day, temperatures soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But at night, with no atmosphere to trap heat, the temperature plummets to negative 290 degrees. Mercury also has a surprisingly large iron core, which makes up about 70% of its mass. This dense core generates a weak magnetic field, about 1% the strength of Earth's. Mercury revolves around the Sun faster than any other planet, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. Venus, often called Earth's evil twin, Venus is similar in size and composition to our planet, but its thick, toxic atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Surface temperatures reach a sweltering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, a truly infernal environment. The atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a crushing pressure 90 times that of Earth's. Venus rotates incredibly slowly and in the opposite direction of most planets, making a Venusian day longer than its year. Despite its hostile environment, Venus boasts a diverse landscape with volcanoes, mountains, and vast plains. Earth, our home planet, a unique oasis of life in the vastness of space. Earth's moderate temperature, liquid water, and protective atmosphere have allowed life to flourish for billions of years. The planet's dynamic systems, including plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and the water cycle, create a constantly changing and diverse environment. Earth's atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, with a layer of ozone that protects us from harmful solar radiation. The planet's magnetic field also shields us from charged particles from the Sun. Mars, the red planet, a cold and dusty world with a thin atmosphere. Mars has long captured our imagination as a potential abode for life, with evidence of past liquid water on its surface and the possibility of subsurface ice. Giant volcanoes, vast canyons, and polar ice caps dominate its landscape. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are likely captured asteroids. Today, robotic rovers and orbiters explore Mars, searching for signs of past or present life and paving the way for future human missions. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant with a mass more than twice that of all the other planets combined. Its swirling atmosphere is a tapestry of colorful clouds, storms, and powerful winds. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has a faint ring system and a staggering 79 known moons, including the 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each with its own unique characteristics. Saturn, known for its magnificent rings, Saturn is a gas giant with a mesmerizing beauty. Its rings are composed of countless ice and rock particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders. Saturn's atmosphere, although less colorful than Jupiter's, is still a dynamic place, with swirling storms and bands of different colors. Saturn has 82 known moons, including Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system, which has a dense atmosphere and methane lakes. Uranus, an ice giant tilted on its side. Uranus is a unique and mysterious world. Its tilted axis gives it extreme seasons, with each pole experiencing decades of continuous sunlight or darkness. Uranus has a faint ring system and 27 known moons. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with traces of methane giving it a blue-green color. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune is a dark and windy ice giant. Its atmosphere is a turbulent mix of swirling clouds, powerful storms, and supersonic winds. Neptune has a faint ring system and 14 known moons, including Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation and has active geysers that erupt nitrogen gas. Dwarf planets. Once considered the 9th planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, joining the ranks of other icy worlds like Eris, Ceres, Makemake, and Haumea. These celestial bodies share characteristics with planets, orbiting the Sun and having enough mass to be rounded by their own gravity, but they haven't cleared their orbits of other debris. Asteroid Belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid belt is home to millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system. These asteroids vary greatly in size, from tiny pebbles to dwarf planet Ceres. Some asteroids are rich in metals, while others are composed primarily of rock or ice. The asteroid belt is a dynamic place, with collisions and gravitational interactions constantly reshaping its population. Kuiper Belt, extending beyond Neptune's orbit, the Kuiper Belt is a vast and frigid region populated by icy bodies and dwarf planets. It's believed to be a remnant of the early solar system. The Kuiper Belt is home to Pluto, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea, along with countless smaller icy objects. Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of icy bodies surrounding the solar system. The Oort cloud is thought to be the source of long-period comets that take thousands or even millions of years to orbit the Sun. It's believed to be a remnant of the protoplanetary disk that formed the solar system, and its vast distance makes it difficult to observe directly. Subscribe to see more videos in the future.